Creating a comprehensive narration on the importance of making toys for parrots is both a fascinating and critical exploration into the complex needs of these intelligent and social birds. This narration delves into the crucial role toys play in providing enrichment, preventing boredom, and ensuring the overall well-being of parrots. Parrots are among the most intelligent avian species, capable of problem-solving, mimicking human speech, and demonstrating emotional complexity. This intelligence, however, comes with a need for constant mental and physical stimulation. In the wild, parrots spend their days foraging, socializing, and interacting with their environment in ways that challenge their minds and bodies. Captivity, unfortunately, can severely limit these natural behaviors, leading to boredom and stress. Here, the role of toys becomes indispensable. The significance of enrichment. Enrichment through toys is not merely a luxury for parrots. It's a necessity for their mental health. Toys designed to mimic the challenges parrots face in the wild can help satisfy their innate needs for foraging, problem-solving, and physical activity. Without such stimulation, parrots are prone to a variety of behavioral and health issues. Consequences of boredom. Boredom in parrots is not a trivial matter. It can lead to what humans categorize as bad behaviors, including excessive screaming, feather plucking, and aggressive actions. More than mere nuisances, these behaviors indicate a parrot's distress and unmet needs. Worse still, prolonged boredom can lead to health problems, including stress-induced illnesses and diminished immune responses. Stereotypic behaviors. A common manifestation of insufficient enrichment in parrots is stereotypic behavior. This includes repetitive, seemingly purposeless actions such as pacing, swinging, or repetitive motion. Such behaviors are symptomatic of mental distress and are akin to the compulsions observed in humans under chronic stress. They serve as a clear signal that a parrot's environment is lacking in stimulation. The role of destructible toys. Destructible toys play a pivotal role in a parrot's life by mimicking the natural behavior of breaking and manipulating objects found in their natural habitat. These toys provide a satisfying challenge, allowing parrots to exercise their beaks and minds. Toys that cannot be destroyed may offer initial interest, but quickly become uninteresting to a parrot, leading to disuse and continued boredom. The act of destruction is not only a source of physical activity, but also a significant mental exercise, fostering a sense of achievement and satisfaction. Variety is key. Just as variety in diet is essential for a parrot's physical health, variety in toys is crucial for mental stimulation. Regularly introducing new toys prevents habituation, ensuring that the parrot remains engaged and intellectually stimulated. This variety can mimic the ever-changing environment parrots would experience in the wild, offering new challenges and opportunities for exploration. Safety considerations. While enrichment is crucial, safety remains paramount. Toys must be chosen with a parrot's size and strength in mind. For instance, larger birds can easily break or become entangled in toys designed for smaller species, potentially leading to injury. Attention must be paid to the materials used in toys, as parrots will ingest small pieces they break off. Additionally, certain toys like small bells pose specific risks as parrots with strong beaks might dismantle them and ingest small parts, leading to internal blockages or poisoning. Innovative enrichment solutions. Adapting and combining toys can offer enhanced enrichment options. For example, smaller toys can be safely attached to larger ones, creating complex, multifaceted enrichment devices that stimulate different aspects of a parrot's intelligence and physicality. Such innovations require careful oversight to ensure they do not inadvertently pose risk to the bird. Conclusion. In summary, toys are not just accessories for a parrot's cage. They are essential tools for mental health, physical well-being, and the prevention of distressing behaviors. A well-thought-out selection of destructible, varied, and safe toys can dramatically improve the quality of life for these intelligent, sensitive birds. By understanding and catering to their complex needs, parrot caretakers can ensure their feathered friends lead fulfilling, happy lives even in captivity. This comprehensive approach to enrichment acknowledges the depth of parrots' intelligence and their need for a stimulating environment, bridging the gap between captivity and the wild, fostering healthier, more content birds.
science knowledge only adds to the excitement, the mystery, and the awe of a flower.
Evidence is evidence. It's public. Everybody can look at the evidence and assess it, and eventually, if there's enough evidence, come to the same conclusion.
The Chloe Sanctuary for Parrots and Cockatoos, a nonprofit charity dedicated to the empowerment of captive parrots and public awareness.